Welcome everyone to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And today I have some exciting purchases to share with you. So I'm very excited about these purchases. I'll try them on. Some I'm styling how I would style them. Some I'm going to style as how I envisioned I was going to style them, but I don't think it's going to work out. All right. But I'm very excited to share these purchases because I was shocked when I got them. They're not what I had thought they were online. So first up is this sweater. So this one had been haunting me on Freestyle. It kept popping up and going, buy me, Carolyn, buy me. So I finally said, okay, I bought it. And then when I opened it up, I was like, ooh, I like it even more in person. So it's this, chevron style, and it has this nice wide band here fitted at the bottom. This is the Teresa sweater by Steve Madden, and I believe it was $79. I'll give you my links to stitchfix below so you can see. It kind of has the balloon sleeve, but nothing too exaggerated, just like a slightly longer cuff. And let me come closer because this is what surprised me. I don't know if you can see it or not. This is silver. These are sparkles in here. When I saw this online, I thought it was a cream and black. And when I got it, I was shocked to see that this is metallic silver. Now this sweater is hand wash, it says, and lay flat to dry. And it's like a polyester, acrylic, nylon, and then a little bit of wool mix. I think 4% wool. I think it was 19% nylon, 40% polyester, and like the rest acrylic or something like that. All right, so it is all man-made materials except for that tiny bit of wool in it. And I know most people don't like wool, but this is a very soft, fine gauge sweater. It does not feel itchy to me. I actually like the fabric a lot, and I really enjoy this wide band bottom. And I like that chevron style. So this is a keeper. Totally shocked me. It was like, all right, let me just buy it and, see what it looks like. But I'm very, very pleasantly surprised when I got this sweater. It does have this large seam down the front. I don't know if you can see that. Does it have one in the back? I don't think it has one in the back at all. But yeah, I love this sweater, so I'm keeping it. Give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. Okay, the next item that kind of shocked me, and when I opened it up out of the package, I went, ooh, because it was nothing like what I expected, is this moto jacket. So I've been looking for a jacket to wear with my ivory joggers and this blouse, because this blouse is sleeveless. And while I like this blouse, it's obviously a dressy blouse. I was thinking of wearing this on one night on our cruise, or to dinner out locally. I'm always cold. I always need something over this. And if you kind of wear a sweater over it, it kind of brings it down. And same if you wore like a denim jacket. And I have like a bunch of faux leather motos, but I wasn't quite looking for that with the satin joggers. So I'll step back for a second so you can see the satin joggers and the top. So I ordered this jacket, and in my mind, this jacket, the color said off-white, it said 100% polyester. So in my mind, it was a faux suede moto. I opened it up out of the package and it's satin. This is 100% polyester satin. It is not, a faux suede moto, which is what I thought. Number two, I don't know if you can see this color well, but I'll back up so you can see it against the pants. I would not consider this an off-white. I would consider this a champagne, like a light gold champagne color. So now my pants are an ivory. Let me know your thoughts of pairing these two together and what you think of this outfit together. I'm not so sure I would like this outfit together. I have to see the footage back myself, but the jacket is definitely a keeper because it's satin. It's a champagne color. I own nothing like this one. So this is going to stay in my closet. So here it is stepping back. Let me know, is it too much satin together, and the fact that they're two different colors, does it throw the whole thing off? Would you rather see it paired with separate items, maybe like jeans or maybe black faux leather? I'm not sure. I really like this jacket. It really surprised me. Like I said, I don't have anything satin in a moto style, and I certainly don't have this color. So I'm keeping the jacket. I'm just not so sure I would pair this together. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All right, give me a minute and I'm going to show you a non-clothing purchase. Give me a second. Okay, so the next thing I have is a non-clothing item. Things that I usually don't show you on this channel, but it's kind of related to clothing. So, as most of you know, I'm gonna go going on a cruise, and I wanted a new overnight bag. Now, I'm gonna need a suitcase for my cruise too. I might buy a suitcase, I might use one of our older suitcases. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, and I'm still not sure exactly if I'm gonna be using this bag. I got this off of Amazon. So I have my eye on some more higher end bags that are in the $100 range. There's one, the company by name Base, B-E-I-S. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that name brand. It's a French company, I believe. It was on the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They have a beautiful plaid bag that I'm interested in, but it was $128 and I wasn't quite sure I wanted to spend that much. So I started researching on Amazon overnight bags and I came across this one. It's called Lovelook, all right? I'll give you the links below of what I got, but this is kind of what I had in mind. So I have an overnight bag, but it's not kind of structured like this. What I mean by structured is that it stands up. It has the little feet here on the bottom. It has the quilting here. It's like a nylon quilting. It seems very well made. It has these gold zippers. They have a section here for you to put in your shoes in this section here, or maybe dirty laundry, or like wet towels or bathing suit, have you, to keep it separate from the items on back. It has a nice big flat bottom. I can pack my clothes in here without them being a jumbled mush. This also zips all the way around too. So it's a really nice bottom here. So it has like the double zipper. And then it can also extend here with the snap. If you want to unsnap it to make it a little bit bigger, or you can snap it down like this. It has the two handles like this. I'm pretty sure, I'll look over there in just a second. I'm pretty sure it has the shoulder strap that you attach here. It has the little pocket here on the side, maybe to put some, maybe your airline tickets or whatever in it, so you have them right here on hand, right here in front. And then it has this little thing here to put over your luggage carrier. So if you're carrying luggage and you want to put this on top, you can secure it by putting this over the handle. All the kind of bells and whistles a higher end bag has. And the inside, this is the one thing I wasn't crazy about, but it's not bad. The inside is like a nylon. It's kind of noisy, all right? It does have an extra pocket here on the side. So again, if you wanted to put maybe dirty laundry or wet stuff over there, it's not closable, but at least it will keep everything else separate. And then over here, there's a zippered pocket on this side. And it is kind of like a line for like waterproof. And then of course they have some mesh here on the side as well. So you can put like your toiletries or whatever in this mesh area here. So overall, this bag was $41. And I have to say, I'm very impressed. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm very impressed with the construction of this bag. And I like it, but I really have my heart set on those high-end bags. So I said to my husband, what do you think? So he took a look at it and he said, how much was it? I said, 41 bucks. He goes, 41 bucks? Keep it. One of us will use it. So I can't vouch as to how, sturdy it'll end up being, but it does seem like a very well-made bag from my inspection of it. So this will be a keeper. I'm sure one of us will use it. And I wanted to show you this because I know not everyone is looking for $100 and $150, even like up to a couple $100. I was looking at Quince and their overnight bags, and they're like 300 bucks even on Quince, but they're leather. I don't necessarily need a leather bag. I just needed something with structure, well made and well thought out. And I really think this does the trick for like an overnight or carry-on bag. And this will definitely fit in the airline seat in front of you. All right, give me a minute and let me show you the next. Okay, I also forgot to mention it comes with a dust bag. It comes with a toiletry bag, and yes, it comes with a shoulder strap. So for $41, and it does come in multiple colors if you want a black or whatever, you'll see the link below. Multiple colors it comes in. So I'm really impressed with the quality of this bag. I'm not so sure I'm not gonna be tempted to buy the more expensive bag, but you might see me sporting this on the cruise because I think this is a nice quality bag. All right, next item. I wanted some packing cubes. I don't even know what name brand this is, but it got good reviews on Amazon. It's an 8-pack set. It comes like this, and I'll show you individually which one I received. So let's look at them all here. First item they gave me is, I guess, a laundry bag, right? So it's not very big. It's good enough for underwear. I may bring it on my cruise, not sure. I think I might need a larger bag or just use my empty suitcase because I plan on wearing all the clothes. The next thing that came is what they're considering, I guess, a toiletry bag, because they actually show you here what to put in it. Your makeup, it looks like some lotion, etc. Again, I'm not so sure I would use this as a toiletry bag. I already had a toiletry bag, plus I just got the one with that one. But it's, as you can see, it's mesh. And again, these come in tons of colors. You know, the inside is like this, and there's this little handle here too. So that's really nice. So I might use this for something else other than toiletry items. So that's the first item, or second item. The first one was the laundry bag. The next item for the packing cubes is this one, all right? And they show you that you can put in shirts and shorts in this one, all right? See how they label it? Again, mesh. Again, has a little handle. They seem well made. Again, it has a zipper all the way around. You know, it seems well made. No issues with this. And then the next one that they sent me was this larger one. And they're showing me you could put in a jacket, a puffer, and some pants. All right, so this is even larger. And again, it's like, you know, nylon and mesh. And then this one, they're telling me I should be putting in my bras, underwear, and socks in this one. Do you guys use packing cubes? Do you find them helpful? I know people say they're a game changer. I really have not used any yet. So I purchased a set of packing cubes and my family stole them from me. So this is why I got 2 more sets. All right, 2 more things that came in this set. And this set I think was like $16 and I got 2 of them. So, you know, 8 pieces in each set. And this is another larger one that's saying pants, shirts, you know, jackets, or I guess long sleeve shirts. So let me know how you use packing cubes. How much, like, how do you organize it? How do you stuff it? And then there's this little tiny little pouch here, which I'm not quite sure I would use what this one is for. So give me some ideas below. And yeah, these are my non-clothing item purchases. Let me know what you think. Tell me how you would pack with them. And stay tuned because I have one more thing to add to this video. It just hasn't come in the mail yet. So hang on tight. Wait, there's just one more packing cube that I did miss before. So this one, it has the hanger right up top here, and it's long with the zipper. What is this one used for? Is this one used for shoes? I'm not sure what this one's used for. Please put in the comments below what you think you should be using this one for. And let me know how you organize your packing cubes. Do you put like an outfit a day in there? Do you put all your shirts in one? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, everyone, last outfit that I am showing you, or last item I purchased I'm showing you. You're gonna have to ignore the outfit because it's actually not part of this jacket that I got from Stitch Fix. The outfit you'll be seeing in an upcoming outfit of the day, and I certainly wouldn't style it with this particular jacket. This jacket is by Vigoss. It's kind of like an aviator style. It's completely lined with this faux fur and has the faux fur trim here on the edge, the zippered pockets, kind of this asymmetrical hemline. And this jacket, I would say, would keep me warm up until like the 30-degree temperatures. I typically don't wear my jackets like zipped, but because this is more of an outerwear piece, I will wear it zipped. If some of you are seeing this and saying, hey, I've seen this jacket at Marshall's, yeah, so have I. Much cheaper, so have I. Hey, I've seen this jacket at Nordstrom Rack, yeah, so have I. Much cheaper, yep, so have I. But guess what? I cannot find it in my size at all. So I tried it on in Marshall's, and you know, I really liked it, but it was enormous on me. I tried it on in a medium. So I decided to eventually order it through Stitch Fix, and my justification of it is that there's also one at Loft now for $210. I could get a 40% off because the Loft is always having 40% off, but it would still be like about the price of this jacket, and I like this one better than the Loft one. So let me know your thoughts on this jacket. I'm looking here in the viewfinder. I'm gonna also watch the footage back, but I think I'm liking this jacket and we'll keep it. I like the fact that it is a little bit longer, so it will keep me warm in the cooler days ahead. Well, that is it for my purchases. Thank you again for watching my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? You know, click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care. Till next time.